Welcome to this complete Zagreb Croatia travel guide. Picture a city that's an amalgamation of old-world charm and modern sophistication. That's Zagreb for you, a city that's as vibrant as it is historic, brimming with culture and teeming with life. Nestled in the heart of Croatia, Zagreb is a city that's rich in history, a treasure trove of stunning architecture and quaint cobblestone streets that echo tales of the past. But Zagreb is not just about history. It's a city that thrives on its contemporary culture, bristling with museums, galleries, and a bustling cafe scene. In this guide, we'll unearth the city's soul, exploring 10 gems that make Zagreb truly special. From the towering Zagreb Cathedral, the pulsating Banelasic Square, to the unusual Museum of Broken Relationships and the lively Dolac Market, we'll wander through the city's heart and soul, experiencing the very best of what Zagreb has to offer. So buckle up as we embark on this Croatian journey. First stop is the stunning Zagreb Cathedral. This towering beauty, the tallest building in Croatia, is an ever-present symbol of Zagreb, visible from almost every corner of the city. With roots dating back to the 12th century, the cathedral's history is as rich as its imposing Gothic architecture. It's had its share of trials and tribulations, from the catastrophic earthquake of 1880 to the destructions of war, but it's always risen again, much like the city itself. The cathedral's twin spires reach towards the heavens, a testament to human resilience and architectural prowess. Inside, the opulent interiors are a feast for the eyes, with intricate stained glass windows casting a colorful glow on the stone pillars and vaulted ceilings. The ornate altar, a masterpiece of marble and gold, is a sight to behold. A visit to Zagreb isn't complete without appreciating the grandeur of this cathedral. Next, immerse yourself in the bustling life at Banelasic Square. Situated at the crossroads of several city districts, this square is named after Count Josip Jelačić, a military leader and Croatian national hero. Much more than a meeting place, Banelasic Square is the pulsating heart of Zagreb, where all the vital veins of the city converge. Every day the square hums with activity. Trams shuttle by, vendors sell their wares, and locals dash about on their daily errands. Meanwhile, tourists marvel at the surrounding architecture, from the classic 19th century buildings to the modernist structures of the 20th. In the center stands an equestrian statue of Count Jelačić, forever immortalized in bronze. Close by, you'll find attractions like the Dolac Market, the Zagreb Cathedral, and Tkalčićeva Street. But even as you explore these sites, you'll find yourself drawn back to this vibrant square. It's a place of constant movement and change, reflecting the spirit of Zagreb itself. Banelasic Square, where the heart of Zagreb truly beats. Ready for a unique experience? Head to the Museum of Broken Relationships. Nestled in the heart of Zagreb, this quirky museum is an ode to love stories that ended before their time. It's not your typical museum filled with ancient artifacts or priceless works of art. No, this one's a bit different. It's a collection of personal mementos from relationships that have run their course. A symbolic graveyard of love, if you will. Each item tells a tale of heartbreak, longing, or bittersweet farewell. From a wedding dress in a jar to an axe used to chop an ex's furniture, the exhibits are as diverse as the emotions they evoke. But don't let the melancholy fool you. It's not all about sorrow. There's a sense of catharsis, a shared humanity in the stories told. It's a testament to the universal experience of love and loss. From there, make your way to St. Mark's Church and the Upper Town. Nestled in Zagreb's historic Upper Town, St. Mark's Church is a marvel of Gothic architecture. Its history dates back to the 13th century, yet its timeless appeal endures. The highlight of this church is its vibrant tiled roof, a mosaic bearing the coats of arms of Zagreb and the triune kingdom of Croatia, Slavonia and Dalmatia. It's as if the city's history is painted across the rooftop for all to see. Now let's stroll through the enchanting Upper Town, or Gornji Grad. This medieval district is the city's oldest, with winding streets that hide centuries of stories. Here you'll find a blend of charming cafes, unique art galleries, and historic landmarks. It's a place where the past and present coexist seamlessly, offering a delightful journey through time. So, don't forget to pay a visit to St. Mark's Church and Upper Town, a step back in time, right in the heart of the city. Hungry? Dolac Market and Tkalčićeva Street await. The heart of Zagreb's culinary scene beats rhythmically in these two locales. Dolac Market, the city's largest and liveliest marketplace, is a feast for the senses. Here, local farmers showcase their freshest produce, from sun-ripened tomatoes to hand-picked herbs, while butchers and fishmongers proudly present their finest cuts and catches. Just a stone's throw away, Tkalsicheva Street beckons. Once a river dividing two medieval settlements, today this vibrant thoroughfare is lined with a dizzying array of eateries and cafes. You'll find everything from traditional Croatian cuisine to modern fusion dishes. And let's not forget the local wines and craft beers, each a testament to the region's rich viticultural and brewing traditions. Immerse yourself in the local culture, engage with the friendly vendors, and let your taste buds guide you. This is the essence of Zagreb, where every meal tells a story, every sip holds a memory. Here, Zagreb's flavors come alive. Next, pay a respectful visit to Miragoy Cemetery. As we venture into this tranquil sanctuary, we're reminded that cemeteries aren't just about mourning the departed, but also about celebrating lives well lived. Miragoy Cemetery is an architectural marvel, a testament to the harmonious blend of the living and the departed. Its arcades, domes, and ornate sculptures seem to whisper tales of old, creating a peaceful atmosphere that's as contemplative as it is captivating. Here you'll find the final resting places of many of Croatia's notable figures, from artists to politicians. Each tombstone, each monument tells a story of a life lived, a legacy left behind. The cemetery is a moving history book, its pages etched in stone and adorned with flowers. But let's not forget the living. The cemetery, with its park-like setting, is a haven for local flora and fauna. It's a place where life and death coexist, where sorrow and beauty intertwine. A serene and historic corner of Zagreb. Now, let's climb Lotusk Tower for a panoramic view. Nestled in the heart of Zagreb's upper town, this 13th century fortification bristles with history. Originally erected to guard the southern city gate, the tower has stood the test of time and offers us an unbroken link to the city's past. Its name, Lotusk, is derived from the Latin campana latrunculorum, meaning thieves' bell. Each day at noon, a tradition dating back to the 19th century, the tower's cannon fires a shot over the city, a reminder of a time when it signaled the closing of the city gates. As we ascend the tower's winding staircase, we can sense centuries of stories whispered within these ancient walls. Upon reaching the top, the reward is a breathtaking panorama of Zagreb. The city sprawls out before us, an expanse of terracotta rooftops, verdant parks and bustling streets. From here, Zagreb lies at your feet. Finally, unwind at Maximir Park and Zoo. As the oldest public park in southeastern Europe, Maximir is a testament to Zagreb's love for nature and greenery. It serves as the city's lungs, offering a breath of fresh air amidst the urban hustle. The park is a symphony of beautifully landscaped gardens, regal oak forests, and 5 picturesque lakes, each with its own unique charm. Then there's the Maximir Zoo, home to over 2,000 animals from all corners of the globe. Whether you're fascinated by the majestic lions or intrigued by the playful monkeys, there's something for every wildlife enthusiast. After a day filled with exploration, settle down on a park bench, listen to the birds' melody, and let the tranquility of nature wash over you. Perhaps even treat yourself to a picnic under the towering trees. Maximir Park and Zoo, it's not just a place, it's an experience. A perfect end to a perfect day in Zagreb. And that, my friends, is Zagreb in a nutshell. A city exuding charm from landmarks like the Zagreb Cathedral and Banelasic Square. The unique museum of broken relationships. Don't forget the striking St. Mark's Church in quaint Upper Town, a capsule of history. Our travels led us to the bustling Dolac Market and vibrant Tkalsicheva Street. The city's life pulses here. We visited the peaceful Miragoy Cemetery and climbed the historic Lotusk Tower. Lastly, we experienced the thriving Maximir Park and Zoo, a sanctuary amidst the city. So, when are you booking your ticket to Zagreb?